Alright guys, today I'll be showing you how to check the coolant on a 2007 to 2013 Honda Rancher 420. Doesn't matter if you got ES, two-wheel drive, four-wheel drive, it's all the same. So I believe it's the same to check for the independent rear suspension model also, but first you're going to pull your seat off, set that off to the side. Then second, sorry for my shadow, you're going to pop the tail light compartment. If you have anything on the rack, you'll have to take that off. I'd take my bag off. You're going to pull up right there, slide forward. You just set that right there, and then right there it says coolant, and that's the reservoir, and you have a lower and an upper mark. It's cold right now and it's at lower, so that's where it's supposed to be. But you just pop this and you look down in there, and this one's green, and as I can see there's like a couple particles of maybe dirt or something, but besides that it's quite clean. So it was a 2007, so I was just wanting to make sure to check it. The covers are kind of hard to put back on, at least with one hand, so I'll have to do that after, but that's how you check the coolant on a 2007 to 2013 Honda Rancher 420.